Hey, girls.
The hot.
Bye-bye to Daddy's truck.
Say bye-bye, truck. Give it a big hug, Mackenzie. Aww.
Kendall, can you say bye-bye to the truck?
Bye.
Can you say bye-bye to the truck?
Bye, truck.
Do you want to walk around the truck and say bye-bye to it?
Bye.
Mackenzie gave the cut.
Say bye-bye to the truck.
Give it hugs. Give it hugs, Kendall. Give it kisses.
Bye-bye, truck. Bye-bye, truck. Do you want to... Where's my clunker at, Dad?
Right behind you.
Right behind you. You can't
Oh.
miss it. It's that one
Yeah. Yeah. No, I had to wait so long in their, paperwork department or whatever. No. The car's loaded on the trailer. The car's loaded on the trailer. We both have to work in the morning.
I had to load it. You didn't get to drive it.
That's alright.
Still just got